Welcome to the Slow Home Studio. In today's episode, we're going to be looking at bathroom niches.
Yes, and bathroom niches are a great idea. The problem often comes down to the execution of how they're detailed. And the reason is it's a very difficult thing to get the tile to be really nice and square on the edge. Great idea, hard to do in reality. So we've come up with a couple of ideas that'll make it look better and be a little bit easier to finish.
Of course, there's lots of good reasons to have a niche. It replaces those little baskets that happen in the corner for shampoo and soap and all that sort of stuff. And actually, I have one in my shower, and I think they're really great. And so it's really a kind of box of shelving or of display that you have in there. And what you really need to make sure of is that the detail of how the tile meets the frame works, as well as how the tile meets the frame on the inside.
Right, and this one is stainless steel, so a thin piece of stainless steel was used as sort of a framework on the inside to finish off the tile. This one is a little bit of a different idea. What we did in this one is we took a piece of stone, 3/4 inch stone that we used for a countertop in the bathroom, and we just lined the edge of this box with that stone and had the tile butt up into it. We actually overhung that stone about 1/2 inch, so the tile had a nice edge to butt up against, and it finished it off very nicely and neatly.
That's the key detail, is you want the frame to protrude out about 1/2 inch, I think, all the way around, because it gives you then an inside corner for that tile to return. You can then grout up against it, gives you a nice clean edge that also is going to be waterproof.
Yeah, it's a much more forgiving detail than trying to have the tile turn the corner. Now in this example, the niche is actually on the outside of the wet area of the shower. It's facing into the bathtub. So this would be more for display. And this is a more sort of traditional niche detail where it's made out of MDF and there's a light. You could store towels in there. In this case, there's a vase of flowers. But again, the same principle applies where there's that edge that protrudes out and allows the tile to butt in against the MDF.
And I know this goes back to an earlier episode, but just look at the tile detailing. You also want to make sure when you're going to add a niche that you get the grout lines right.
So remember, shower niches are a great thing to have, but you have to be careful how you detail the edges.
See you next time.